Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the BRITA Marella cool water filter jug. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a BRITA Marella water filter jug. This one is the cool model with a 2.4 litre total capacity. And taking a look at the side of the box, there is a diagram of the water filter jug, together with a list of benefits in several languages. And taking a look at the back of the box, there is a bunch of product details. And this BRITA Marella cool water filter jug does come with one Maxtra Plus cartridge. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. But of course, pulling out the tab and lifting up the box lid. And there's some details about registering the BRITA product. And taking a look directly in the box, you can see the BRITA Marella cool water filter jug, and this one is in graphite. It's also available in other colors as well. So let's lift it out from its box packaging and tip the rest of the contents out, and just making sure nothing else is left behind. So that's the box emptied of its contents. We're going to set the box on the left hand side of the frame right there, and then just do some quick arrangements to the contents that we've just removed from the box. So right there, the BRITA Marella cool water filter jug. And so let's first start off by taking a look at this booklet or pamphlet, so you can see just how thick or comprehensive this is, and taking a look at the back of this booklet as well. So this is the instructions for use of this BRITA Marella cool water filter jug, and it does open out to several panels, as you can see, pretty thick, and it does cover a heap of languages as well in this instruction manual. Okay, so we're not going to go into too much detail here. Just going to set the manual to one side, but always read the instructions before using the BRITA Marella cool water filter jug. Okay, so moving on to the jug itself, you can see it is packaged in a clear plastic bag. Let's remove that clear plastic bag and of course keep it safe away from toddlers or babies or children. Okay, so now you can see the BRITA Marella cool water filter jug. So as I mentioned, this has a 2.4 litre total filling capacity and a 1.4 litre filtered capacity. There is an XL model as well, which has a 3.5 litre total capacity. So this one is in graphite, as you can see, with that dark grey colour, and its funnel as well, so the colours do apply onto the lid as well as the inner funnel. Just giving you a look as well all round at this water filter jug. And this one does have the BRITA memo cartridge exchange indicator, as you can see right there at the top. So it does blink once 28 days is up to remind you to replace the cartridge. Okay, so let's pop off the lid, because there are some more contents on the inside, because we have yet to see the Maxtra Plus cartridge. And just going to pop off that lid. So everything apart from the lid is dishwasher safe. Just going to set the lid to the side. And you can see there is some other contents here. So there is a slip right there. Just going to set that down. And of course, the Maxtra Plus cartridge right here, securely packaged. You can always buy that separately, of course, to replace once the 28 days of usage is up. Just going to set that down and set the plastic bag to the side. So we have the jug itself, the funnel, the lid, and the Maxtra Plus cartridge. So just going to do some quick arrangements so you can see all the contents of this entire unboxing of this Maxtra or BRITA Marella cool water filter jug with that single Maxtra Plus cartridge. So right there, the entire contents laid out nicely across the tabletop. So, and it's good to know that the design and use does not have any bisphenol A or BPA in the materials of this BRITA product. Okay, so now let's just take a look at this slip right here. So there's some product registration details should you wish to register your BRITA Marella cool water filter jug. And of course there is a QR code as well. Just going to set that down right there on the left hand side of the frame. So everything is nice and clearly in view without interfering with the foreground as we handle the product. So the funnel, just giving you a look as to the funnel here. So this is the inner funnel where water goes through, and that's where the Maxtra Plus cartridge sits, in that section of the funnel as water filters through that cartridge. So very simply, there's only one way in which that funnel will fit into the jug. So if you try and put it another way, you can see that it doesn't quite fit. So the broader end of the funnel does sit forward towards the spout of the jug right there. And you can see the jug does have a nice and shiny finish all around. And of course, that graphite color does show on that funnel as well as the handle and lid of the cool water filter jug. So setting that down, and of course taking a look at the lid right here in close-up detail. So the lid does have a filling hole with a lid right there that does open and lock in the upright position, so it makes it easy to fill when it comes to refilling your jug with water. So right there, giving you a look once again, just a simple flip top lid that locks in the wide open position right there. So it stays open and you can run it under a tap to refill your jug. And of course, the spout is lidded as well, which is good to keep your water safe and fresh right there. And once again, just showing you that memo cartridge exchange indicator right there. It does have a layer of protective tape or film on it. So let's try and peel that off. Right there. And just setting that to the side, so giving you a nice clear look. So it's very simple to operate this reminder or notification. Doesn't make any noise whatsoever. It's just a simple LCD display. Just pressing down for 5 to 6 seconds does start it or reset it depending on which part you are in that indicator mode. So each bar, as you can see, 4 bars right there, each bar representing 7 days or a week. So 4 bars all together. When it's down to the final bar, it will start to flash. So it doesn't make any noise whatsoever, and it is time-based. So simply press and hold to reset. Same thing, 5 to 6 seconds does reset it when it comes to that moment where you replace and put in a new Maxtra Plus cartridge into the water filter jug. So right there, giving you a look to that lid right there with the memo cartridge exchange indicator or replacement indicator, and simply just pop that lid down, and there we have the BRITA Marella cool water filter jug. Of course, I have not placed the Maxtra Plus cartridge in it yet, but just giving you a look all around. And now we have the Maxtra Plus cartridge, as you can see right here. So they sell them in a variety of bundles, and I guess this is the key component in the whole system or water filtration system. So right there, BRITA Maxtra Plus, you can see right there. And just a quick all-round look so you know what to expect or what you're dealing with. And in terms of size, just resting it in the palm of my hand right there. And now let's pop it open, just to give you a look at the cartridge. So that's the Maxtra Plus cartridge that works with this BRITA Marella cool water filter jug and most other BRITA water filter jugs. So right there, giving you a look right round. And of course there are usage instructions for first use when it comes to using or inserting or installing the Maxtra Plus cartridge for first use. You can see that BRITA branding at the top as well. So right there, overall size, and you a look all right round. And the steps for first use is to always immerse the entire Maxtra Plus cartridge in water, dunk it all the way in, keep it submerged, and then agitate it so that bubbles or any loose materials come off. And then once you've done that, place it into your BRITA. Best way to open it, by the way, is to flip up the lid and just grip it like that to pop the lid off. And of course, as I mentioned, to continue the process of installing or replacing your Maxtra Plus cartridge is once you've submerged it, agitated it, now you place it into, just like that. I'll remove the funnel just so you have a better look, an idea of what it looks like right there. Simply just pop it in, press it down, doesn't clip or anything, it just sits nice and firmly right there, but you don't want to turn it upside down, no real need to do that. Just press it down so that it's nice and firm there in the funnel, and then placing the funnel, just giving you a look right there, and placing the funnel right there into the jug. And then of course you fill it with water, and then once that water has been filtered out, pour it away, and then on your next fill you are good to go to use that newly and freshly filtered water. So that's the BRITA Marella cool water filter jug. This one is in graphite and also available in other colors as well. So right there, giving you an all-round look. So nice and sturdy, very, very sturdy plastic. And you can see just how thick that plastic is. Looking at the border or edge of this BRITA Marella cool water filter jug, and the spout right there with its lid, and of course that refilling lid right there that locks in place, which comes in really handy. And of course you can just pop it up slightly as well, depending on how you wish to use it. And there we go, nice, good look all round. At this water filter jug, and just giving you a look right there directly at the front with that memo cartridge replacement indicator. And size wise, you can see just like that, giving you a look. Nice clear look. Let's do the side profile of this BRITA Marella cool water filter jug in graphite. So there it is, fully assembled with the Maxtra Plus cartridge in the funnel that sits inside the jug. And just giving you a look right there. So everything holds nicely in place. So total filling capacity of 2.4 liters with 1.4 liters of filtered water. That filters through that Maxtra Plus cartridge in the funnel into the bottom of the jug. So that's the BRITA Marella cool water filter jug. Thanks for watching and happy drinking!